Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Today we're making chicken Alfredo. This creamy chicken Alfredo is rich, comforting, and made completely from scratch. Juicy pan-seared chicken breasts paired with silky Parmesan Alfredo sauce and perfectly cooked fettuccine. This is classic Italian-American comfort food done right. Perfect for weeknight dinners, date nights, or whatever you're craving, a creamy pasta classic. Right, first we need to chop up some garlic. Now we're going to season our chicken breasts on both sides with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasonings. We're going to heat up the olive oil and butter in a stainless steel skillet over medium heat. We're going to cook the chicken for 5 or 6 minutes per side until golden brown and delicious, and an internal temperature reaches 165 Fahrenheit. We're going to remove that from the skillet, let it rest for a few minutes, and then slice it up. Now we're going to bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. We're going to cook the pasta till it's al dente. And we're going to reserve about half a cup of the pasta water, just in case we need to thin out the sauce a little bit. Then we're going to drain the pasta in a colander. And now for the sauce. In a saucepan, we're going to melt the butter over medium-low heat. Then we're going to add the garlic and cook that for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to pour in the heavy cream and gently simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Do not let it come to a boil. Now we're going to grate up some Parmesan cheese. We're going to gradually whisk in the Parmesan cheese until smooth and creamy. Then we're going to season that up with some salt, pepper, and optional nutmeg. Then we're going to add the cooked pasta to the sauce and toss it to coat. And loosen it up with some pasta water if the sauce is a little too thick. And then we're going to add in our sliced chicken and gently toss it till it's evenly coated and heated through. Finally, we're going to finish it with some parsley and a little bit of extra Parmesan cheese. So we're going to serve that up. So there you go. Creamy chicken Alfredo from scratch. No jarred sauce, restaurant style flavor. Perfect comfort food. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.